What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So in today's video, as you can see, we have Mr. Thick over here in the back. And for the past, I would say like 2 months, I haven't had this back passenger side, this little piece that fell off. If you follow me on Instagram, then obviously you would know that this back piece of the wide body fell off. If I could show you a different angle, like right here, there you go. So like right there, obviously you can see it's like missing a piece compared to the other side where it has like this back piece. I finally received the missing wide body piece. So yeah, basically this is the piece for that. Today we are not going to be installing it because I'm gonna need help from either my friend Zach or my homie Brian at Next Level. But I did want to just record because today's the day that, well, the mail came in and I received the part. Luckily I was at home because it did need a signature. But the reason why I waited so long for this single part is because it was from Russia, since the company Lions Kit, which I will put right about here, the Lions Kit company, they are from Russia. So this single part, it's not their fault that it took so long, but it's just the simple matter of the fact that it got shipped from Russia, which honestly, the reward is a lot bigger because I feel like when you wait for things a little bit longer, it makes it feel more special. Even though my car has been looking like caca for like the last 2 months. The next video that you'll see right after this clip will be probably the day where we're installing the part. As I was unpackaging it, I just wanted to show you guys all of the wide bodies. Obviously this is a small piece, so it came in like a really small box. But obviously when you order like the whole kit, this is exactly how Lions Kit, the company, packages all of the wide body packages. So if you can see, it's completely like wood all inside, and then they use obviously like the staple gun to staple the cardboard around it. So the piece was in here, and then on top of it they also take the time to put cardboard and like saran wrap tape around each individual part. Again, this is just one part, but obviously I can tell you from receiving the other big package with the rest of the wide body when I first ordered it, this is exactly how they ship it every single time. So the shipping problem from Russia in terms of quality is never an issue. That basically, yeah. All right, boys, so there's the missing piece. We're gonna be putting that shit on today. Alright, boys, so as you can tell, low-key they do package it like pretty good with like the cardboard all around the sides and then the tape. So this is how it looks on the inside, and then yeah, so I have this to unwrap. Alright, boys, so obviously we're at Next Level. You guys see the gate. So today we are actually gonna be doing two things in one. One, we're adding that wide body piece, the missing wide body that basically flew off on the freeway. So we're adding that. We're gonna wrap it and then add rivets and obviously put it back onto the car. And then as you guys saw right now, we are finally doing the purple chrome tint. Honestly, I'm hyped. Like, this is my first time even seeing it out of the box because I never even opened the little packet that it came in, and honestly it's been like maybe 5 or 6 months. So shout out to Luminous for still believing in me and supporting me. Thank you guys, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, but let's get this started. All right, boys, so we do this first inlay, and then it's basically just this piece right here, so I gotta cut off the excess, and then I'm gonna tuck this part over. But that's the first inlay, and then we're gonna do another inlay right there, and the big boy piece. Damn, you finished that hella quick. You got the cuts, that's why. Knifeless. just gotta do like basically right there.
It's already cut.
Almost. I didn't cut like that corner. Peep this out. We got this inlay right here. 1, 2, and then 3. Now we're just about to hit that shit. They just finished wrapping this boy. They did like a half satin white with half satin. I don't know the exact color, but it's like light satin or light blue satin, I guess you could say. And then this trunk actually, and the, what is it? The wing are carbon fiber. Oh, and the diffuser. Like this diffuser is so fire. I want this one, but like this style, but it's for the wide body, so I can't do it. But we got a full house today, baby. Yes, sir. Chingus.
What's that water, man?
It's the water, huh?
Yeah, water went in, I don't know.
You can get that shit off. Can't even tell from right here. There you go. That's crazy. I haven't had that piece for like months, bro. Let's see how long the car lasts now with no fucking problem. Alright boys, so as you can see, obviously there is a little hint of purple from the inside, but if you guys were curious, this is actually how it looks from the inside of the car, having purple tint. I did decide to just do the sun strip instead of the whole windshield, just for the fact that like if I were to do the whole windshield, obviously it's going to be a little bit harder to see, and I also have like the eyelids on my headlights, which also take away some of the light at night. So I just was playing it safe. It would have looked cool, but honestly that's more of like for a show car, and I literally daily drive this car, so I don't want to really be getting bothered that much by police. I know I'm gonna get pulled over eventually, but I would rather not take the chances on, I guess, like that, because that's pretty obvious on the windshield. But honestly, let me know what you guys think. Obviously I will add some of the clips, outside clips, that way you guys can see, but this is how it looked. If you have been following me for a while now, you will know that before this, obviously my car was wrapped red with the red tint, and so you can kind of like compare. This one I would say is obviously way lighter because it's purple and not red, but time will tell. Time will tell. Today it is gloomy too, so it's gonna look a lot different. Look at this big ass fucking truck next to me. Holy. But yeah, guys, we have that. Basically, we did end up putting the missing wide body piece back on, which you guys saw, back to brand new, and then the tint. So you guys got a little 2-for-1 special in this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now we're off to my uncle's house to go eat for my cousin's birthday, and I'm gonna end off the video right here, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. I appreciate all the support, and now that it's a new year, I promise you guys that I'm gonna be pushing out way more content. Watch. But thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And peace. See you next time.